Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change your wallpaper in iPhone. First, open your mobile setting and find wallpaper option. Now, click the wallpaper option. In the top of the choose a new wallpaper option. Click here. If you choose your gallery, then click all photos and select your wallpaper, any picture. I'm not add this wallpaper, then cancel and choosing iPhone wallpapers. iPhone provide our three types of wallpaper. First, live and stills and dynamic. I choose live wallpaper, center wallpaper. Click here, and if you live, then click the right side. Now if you are moving, then click this button, or you set this wallpaper, then click the set. This is the three options in your front. First, lock screens, home screen, or set both. I'm set this wallpaper, live wallpaper, on home screen, then click the home screen. Setting wallpaper. Now this wallpaper still now set on my home page. Like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more updates.